my name is Gwen. I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. I meet you today for the second video of the special Valentine's Day collection with the making of cold process soap on the theme of love and butterflies. This year I wanted the soap with insert in Melt&Pour. So I started with them. Here you see me making the sweet butterfly in Melt&Pour from the lighted pink to the darkest, which I will then position diagonally in my mold. For the soap, I want to use a blend of cocoa butter and coconut, olive and castor oil for gentle, creamy, foaming soaps. For its smell, I opted for a fragrance oil from Smellingood called Candy Apple, a mix of apple, pear, banana, pineapple, exotic fruit, musk and vanilla. For its look, I wanted to make arabesque of 2 tones of purple in a white background, topped with white and purple whip soap decorated with a small pink butterfly as well as purple glitter. I leave you with the video and see you at the end of the production.
What are you saying? Not the time or the place, baby, it's not right. It's not right, no. insane. Got a problem to fix, can we face it tonight? Face it tonight, oh. No way though, maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way though, you never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight. No, it's not fair. It's not fair, no. You said you were staying through the winter season, but you're not there. You're not there, no. No way though, maybe I can't let go. Maybe I thought you'd take my side, my side. No way though, you never think it through. One more round, I'm not going down tonight. Baby, you're worth the fight. Baby, you're worth the fight. Baby, you're worth the fight.
Here is my soap still fresh. I'm going to leave it alone for a few moments before bringing it up to the curing room for 2 or 3 days before unmolding it. See you again at the time. 3 days have passed and I can now unmold my soap. This is what it looks like out of this mold. It's really cool. Now let's cut it in halves. Here is the result. What do you think? It's nice. I love it. I'm gonna to use the canvas to make them nice labels during the current time. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't hesitate to look in the playlist for more ideas for Valentine soap. Next week I will see you again with the making of love or friendship key rings in epoxy resin and vinyl. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.